In the quiet chaos of the factory floor, every ton of material moved is a battle against time, space, and uncertainty. Until now. Meet the LX suspended single girder crane by Kwang Yuan. Built for the industrial world that demands more. 1 to 10 tons lifting capacity, spans from 6 to 10 meters, with low headroom design that turns tight factory spaces into fully functional work zones. Work duty up to A5, dual-speed hoist options, and 3-phase 380V 50/60 Hz compatibility. Core components, bearings, gearboxes, motors, built to last, backed by a full 1-year warranty. CE and ISO certified, with full test reports and outgoing inspection videos provided. Control it from the ground. Lift up to 30 meters.
Move vélo with précision, no wasted space, no wasted time.
This isn't just a crane, it's the backbone of your factory's efficiency. Custom colors, custom specs, built to fit your operation. If you're ready to upgrade your lifting game, drop a comment below. Let's build your solution together.